Your Travel Log Blog, produced by MCRE Media. Our current sponsor is actually the Maverick Hotel Motel in Raton, New Mexico. We were there last night, and today I want to talk to the owner about some of the upgrades he plans on doing. Check this, look at this. Look at this. I like this system. Still a little thin. I mean, it's nice long-wise. But look at that. That's a nice shower. So I love these. I love this door. Good door. And then look at this out here. Check this out. Look at that. Well, let's see if it holds. If it stays. Okay, look at that. So you got some privacy on it. And I know you're thinking about expanding the bathrooms at the Maverick. I'm up here in Ventura, California today. Actually, Port Hueneme, Oxnard area. This is back where Bianca was conceived and born. I like the conceived part. That was fun. But hey, Henry McClure Live, checking out this hotel. Check it out. This is nice. There's a lot of elbow room in this suite. Everything nice and new. Let's see, what did I get? I got here so late. Give me a deal. And you know what I'm talking about. The coffee was good. No need for the safe. Is this a mini bar? Really mini? That's icing up. Look at this. Nice little chair. But I tell you something. I like the floors. Look at it. You can wheel around. Probably easier to clean. I think I'd go with the hardwoods. Look at that. She can sit in there and bark orders at you. Look at the ironing board she's never going to use. Hey, you know what I'm talking about. You do. Look at that. You can share the suite. Henry McClure Live for Your Travel Log Blog, which is part of the MCRE Media Empire. Home at the Ryan Mowinkle Real Estate Empire of the Glass Houses Studio. Hey, there's a lot of those are like the copyright stuff. Well, I'm up for coffee. I'm going to head over to Pacific View Mall, one of the Masonrich Company's crown jewels. Hey, if nobody's told you they love you, get up, get out of bed. I love you.